Question number 3 of exercise 3.2 is based on multiplication. So again, first row, first column. Always of the first matrix we are going to take rows, and for the second matrix we are going to take columns. For a first element, first row and first column. So a multiplied by a plus b multiplied by b. For a 1-2 element, first row and second column. So again, first row, second column, a multiplied by minus b plus b multiplied by a. For a 2-1 element, second row, first column, minus b multiplied by a plus a multiplied by b. For a 2-2, second row and second column, minus b into minus b plus a multiplied by a. It will turn out to be a square plus b square minus ab plus ab, and that will become 0. Minus ab plus ab again 0, and a square minus will be plus a square plus b square. Second, first matrix is of order 3 by 1, 3 rows 1 column. Second matrix is of order 1 by 3, 1 row and 3 column. So our resultant matrix will be of order 3 by 3. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Next is second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Next will be third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. This will be our elements. Result will be 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 8, 6, 9, 12. This is our answer. And this first matrix is of order 2 by 2. Second matrix is of order 2 by 3. So our resultant matrix will be of order 2 by 3. Means A11, A12, A13, A21, A22 and A23. So first row and first column. First row and first column will be 1 multiplied by 1 plus minus 2 multiplied by 2. First row and second column, 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into 3. First row and third column. Next will be second row and first column. Second row and second column. Next will be second row and third column. Our answer will be 1 minus 4, 2 minus 6, 3 minus 2, 2 plus 6, 4 plus, here the symbol will be of multiply, 4 plus 9, 6 plus 3. Answer will be minus 3, minus 4, 1, 8, 13 and 9. Again multiply first row by first column. So it will become 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0 plus 4 into 3. Next multiply first row by second column. It will be 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 2. Then 4 into 0 will be 0. Then again first row by third column. 2 5s are 10, 3 4s are 12, 4 5s are 20. Next multiply second row by first column. 3 into 1 plus 4 into 0, 0, 5 into 3. Second row by second column will be 3 into minus 3 minus 9. 4 into 2 will be 8 and 5 into 0 will be 0. Second row by third column 3 5s are 15, 4 4s are 16 and 5 5s are 25. Next will be third row by first column 4 into 1 4, 5 into 0 0, 6 into 3 18. Again third row by second column 4 into minus 3 minus 12, 5 2s are 10, 6 into 0 0, 4 into 5 20, 5 into 4 again 20 and 6 5s are 30. So our resultant will be 2 plus 0 plus 12, 14, minus 6 plus 6, 0, 10 plus 12, 22 plus 20, 42, 3 plus 15, 18, minus 1, 56, 22, minus 2, and here it will be 70. This is our answer. For the next question, first we have to multiply first row by first column. It will become 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. Then we have to multiply first row by second column. 2 into 0 plus 1 into 2. Again first row by third column. 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Next second row by first column. 3 into 1 plus 2 into minus 1. 3 into 0 plus 2 into 2. 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1. Next third row by first column. Minus 1 into 1. 1 into minus 1. Third row by second column. Minus 1 into 0. 1 into 2. Minus 1 into 1. Then 1 into 1. It will turn out to be 2 minus 1. Anything multiplied by 0, 0. 0 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 3 minus 2, 0 plus 4, 3 plus 2, minus 1 minus 1, 0 plus 2, minus 1 plus 1. So our answer will be the resultant matrix. In the next question, given matrix, the first matrix is of order 2 into 3. Second matrix is of order 3 into 2. So our resultant matrix will be of the order 2 by 2. First row by first column 3 into 2 minus 1 into 1, 3 into 3. 3 into minus 3 minus 1 into 0, 0, 3 into 1, 3. Then second row by first column minus 1 into 2, 0 into 1, 0, 2 into 3. Minus 1 into minus 3, 0 into 0, 2 into 1. So our answer will be 6 minus 1 plus 9, 14. Minus 9 plus 3 minus 6. Minus 2 plus 6, 4. And 3 plus 2, 5. In question number 4, A, B and C are the matrices given and we have to compute first A plus B and B minus C. So A plus B will be add the respective elements 1 plus 3, 4, 2 minus 1, 1, minus 3 plus 2, minus 1, 5 plus 4, 9, 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 5, 7, 1 plus 2, 3, minus 1 plus 0, minus 1. Next 1 plus 3, that will be 4. This is our A plus B matrix. Next we have to compute B minus C matrix. So B minus C here will be 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 will be minus 2. 2 minus 2 will be 0. Next 4 minus 0, 4. 2 minus 3, minus 1. 5 minus 2, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. 0 minus of minus 2. Minus minus will turn out to be positive. Answer will be positive 2. 3 minus 3, 0. Next in the question, it was asked, verify a plus b minus c and a plus b minus c. First, we are going to compute a plus b minus c. I have written here a and b minus c matrix. Let's add them. A plus b minus c will give us 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, minus 3 plus 0, minus 3, 5 plus 4, 9, 0 minus 1, minus 1, 2 and 3, 5, 1 plus 1, 2, minus 1 plus 2, 1, 1 plus 0, 1. And then we have to compute a plus b minus c. This was our a plus b matrix and this is our c matrix. On subtracting, we will get 4 minus 4, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, minus 1 minus 2 will become minus 3, 9 minus 0, 9, 2 minus 3, minus 1, 7 minus 2, 5, 3 minus 1, 2, minus 1, minus of minus 2, minus minus will become plus, minus 1 plus 2 will be 1, 4 minus 3, 1. You can clearly observe both these matrices are equal. This was our associative property, and in the first video I mentioned that matrix addition and subtraction are associative. A and B matrices are given and we have to compute 3a minus 5b. 3a means each and every element of matrix A will be multiplied by 3. First multiply every element by 3. Cancel out. The resultant 3a matrix will be 2, 1, 5. 1 into 3, this will be 3. 1, 2, 4, 7, 6 and 2. Next it is given 5b, means every element must be multiplied by 5. The resultant 5b matrix will be 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 4, 7, 6, 2. Next we have to subtract 3a minus 5b matrix. So 2 minus 2 will be 0, 3 minus 3, 0, 5 minus 5, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 4 minus 4 again 0. So you will observe that we are going to get a 0 matrix.